Hi guys, TB here. I want to show you how to use the Pop Solar System WordPress plugin. So I'll go straight to it. It's really simple. After you install the plugin, you'll see right here on the left side the actual plugin. Click on it and add new solar system. Give it a name. I could choose this test. If you want, you can add I don't know, an image for reference to see which one you have. I see no problem here. I have to fix that. I'll fix that, no worries. So I'll not add the image for now, and go to edit solar system settings, and here we have all the main settings. For example, let me open this. Let's see that. So if you see here in the demo page, you will see, for example, this controller with all these buttons like zoom in, zoom out. You can change the simulation, the speed simulation. This will enable the scroll, share, print, and full screen. So all this stuff and more can be updated here, including this part. For example, this part, I don't know how this is called, the table of contents, and also this window here. So all this stuff you can remove, add, change in here section. So let me show you. For example, let's remove the, I don't know, let's only leave the zoom in and zoom out button. Go here to the buttons and delete this. If you try to update, you will be warned. We need to leave in the tooltips section the exact number, or as in the button. So let's delete this and this. Now update, and we remove the buttons here. You can change the background colors, you can change the name of the table of contents. You can, all this stuff, it's here. All you need to do is to go through it, and everything is self-explanatory. I'll not go through these settings because it's not the point of this tutorial. So for now, all you did is remove this from the controller, and now to set up the planets themselves, like also the sun and this belt and everything else, is done with this JSON object. Again, this is also self-explanatory. Each planet or sun has its own settings, like the name, the texture, the radius. I don't know how to pronounce this. You can look into it. This simulation is pretty close to the reality. You can actually play with these numbers and create almost accurate simulation of this. So for example, let's leave this like this for now. Don't forget to update it. So we have now this solar system. To grab the shortcode, just click on this and you will copy it to the clipboard, and let's go to a page. Okay, and I have here a sample page. And all you need to do is to add the shortcode block. If you are using a builder like Element or something else, just add a shortcode block in there and just paste the shortcode. Okay, save. And now when I test, you will see here basically what we did, and only with these two buttons, zoom in and zoom out. So in this theme has a smaller layout. This is why the instance of the solar system is so small, but on a normal theme you will see it on the entire screen. So let's get back here, and let's get let's get back to the JSON file. Let's remove the sun. So I'll just grab this. Now if you make a mistake while doing this, it will not let you save. You will see an error. Just undo and just grab only the sun and remove it. And now update, And now when I test it, you will see the sun is no more. So we have a solar system with no sun. You can remove anything here, like any planet, and even the belts, the moons. Each one, it's no, sorry, it's customizable and removable. So you can see Venus, Earth, Mars. Again, these numbers are not the correct ones because I had to make it look navigatable and visually, I don't know, to be likable. But if you go with the normal scales and normal, I don't know, positions, and you can actually create a real solar system by just changing the numbers here. The math behind it, it's there. You just need to adjust this. You can do this with the AI if you want to. Just grab this and parse it to ChatGPT and tell it that you want the numbers to be real. But don't expect to look like this, because the sun will be huge and the earth will be nearly visible, and also Mars will be nearly visible, just like a normal solar system. So this is why it's done this way. So you can actually navigate it and see the planets and all this stuff. So yeah, this was an experimental project of mine. I'm learning three.js. I have to say that I enjoy making it, and I decided to create a WordPress plugin because there is nothing like this for WordPress. I hope someone will find it useful. I definitely liked it. So you can also change here the speed simulation, hours per second and days per second. And right now we are 40 days per second. Everything goes really fast. Yeah, too fast. We can play with time here basically. So with this part we can just select the moon that you want, or the planet. The camera will just go there. You can also have here a description, which is also here in the JSON, as like you can see here. You can just modify it. Just be careful not to make a mistake. Not, for example, if you add here a D, it will not load the description anymore. And if you make a mistake on the actual JSON file, it will not let you save it. So you'll be warned. So don't worry that you might break something, because you can't. Okay, so this is pretty much it for this project. It's not much, but it's really nice. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.